How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows. If you're facing the same error, just follow these steps until the very end to fix this problem. Go ahead and open up your control panel first. Once the control panel is open, find the internet option and just click on it. Then from here, you'll have to go to the connections tab and then view the LAN settings. Now on your LAN settings, if you are using a proxy server, make sure to disable this and then use the automatic detect settings. Click on OK and then close it out. Now from here, you're going to go to Network and Sharing Center and go ahead and click on Change Adapter Settings. Right click on it and then go to Properties. Now once you're on Properties, go to IPv4, right click on it and then go to its Properties again. And if you are using any manual IP addresses or DNS server address, make sure to choose the auto one, the first option. Click on OK and then close it all out. Now the other thing you can try to do is open up your settings and then run a troubleshooter for your network settings. Go to System and then find Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and then run the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. And if it finds any problem regarding this, it will automatically ask you to fix it. So I'm connected and there is no any problem, but you just have to keep tapping on continue and it will automatically fix the issue. Now the final step is to open up your command prompt, type in cmd and run it as administrator. Click on yes. Now, once you have done that, the first thing you have to do is clear out your sockets. So type in netsh winsock reset. Now, it will reset your winsock catalog. Then you're going to have to reset your IP as well. So netsh int IP reset. So go ahead and type in space in between. So let me just go ahead and type this in and then reset. So let me type it again, netsh int IP reset. So once that is done, you're going to have to release your IP. You're going to have to flush it first. So type in ipconfig / flush DNS. Hit enter. Then you're going to have to release your previous IP. So ipconfig / release. Hit enter. Now, after releasing this, you might be disconnected with your Wi-Fi. So after reconnecting, you just type in ipconfig and then / type in rename. You can also find all of these commands under the description. So just go ahead and copy it from there. All right, once all of that is done, close everything out and then restart your PC once and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.